my name is Marisa Faibish, and I am the Performance Dietitian for Norton Sports Health. Finding your way around the grocery store can be overwhelming. I am here to go over a few tips and tricks to make it feel more manageable when shopping. Today, we're going to discuss all the different aisles in the store. Grocery store aisles get such a bad rap, but you can find so many great things in them. Let's start out with oils, spices, and herbs. There are so many oils out there, but let's keep it simple. Extra virgin olive oil is great for salads. Unrefined regular olive oil or canola oil is best for sauteing and cooking foods. This is because they have a higher smoke point compared with extra virgin oils. Let's go check out the oats, grain, cereal, and bread aisle. Most of us have a difficult time getting enough fiber in our diets. Fiber is excellent for heart health, cholesterol, and GI health. When going through this aisle, be sure to stick to the products that are high in fiber, whole grain, whole wheat. A product is considered high fiber if it has more than 5 grams per serving. Most, if not all, of these items are also high in natural and fortified micronutrients that are important for overall wellness and health. Nuts and seeds can be found in the middle aisles as well. These are powerhouses for micronutrients. One thing to note is they may be small, but they are energy dense, meaning small handful of almonds can be about 100 calories. Nuts are an excellent source of healthy fats and a great snack when paired with some dried fruit and jerky. Be sure to be mindful of the added goodness. Most companies add things like chocolate, sugar, and salt. If you have high blood pressure, stick to raw options. If you're an athlete or very active person, choosing an option with added salt is totally fine since you're sweating a lot. If you want to dive deeper into your personal nutrition, set up a free initial consultation by emailing me, marisa.faibish@nortonhealthcare.org, or by calling the Norton Sports Health Performance and Wellness Center at 502-409-8888.